In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view video upload progress on Google Drive. First, let's dive into the basics of navigating Google Drive to get started with your video uploads. If you're already familiar with Google Drive, you know it's a fantastic tool for managing and storing files in the cloud. Not only does it keep your documents, photos, and videos organized, but it also allows you to easily share them with others. However, when it comes to uploading large video files, it can sometimes be challenging to assess the progress. Today, I'll guide you through each step to clearly see how far along your upload is, making your Google Drive experience even smoother. Start by heading over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Google Drive URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be met with your main dashboard. From here, you need to locate the New button. It's prominently displayed on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this button will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Among these, you'll find Folder Upload and File Upload. For our purposes today, since we're focusing on video files, go ahead and click on File Upload. Once you've clicked on File Upload, a window will pop up, prompting you to select the video file you wish to upload from your computer. Take your time here to navigate through your folders, and once you've found your video file, click to select it. When you're ready, hit the Open button, which will initiate the upload process within Google Drive. Now this is where it gets particularly useful. Once your upload starts, you can view the progress in real time. Google Drive provides a simple but effective way to track this. Direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, a progress bar will appear, giving you an ongoing update of your upload status. You'll see information such as the percentage of your file that has been uploaded and estimations on the time remaining. This feature is especially beneficial when uploading larger files, as it offers peace of mind knowing exactly where you stand in the process. If for any reason the upload is taking longer than expected, ensure your internet connection is stable. Slow uploads are often tied to bandwidth issues, so consider reducing usage on other devices or switching to a wired connection for better reliability. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and monitor the upload process of your video files on Google Drive. We hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Google Drive experience. Thank you for watching and happy uploading.